Hi guys, it's me True. Today we're going to be opening a squishy package. It's by Fun Kids. 2 Baby True squishies, slime / Shopkins, and more. So yeah, let's get into the video. Make sure to like. Look, do I look like the waves? And you're gonna subscribe. And subscribe. Okay, let's see. So what you first get is this paper. Okay? First thing you get is this paper. Here, it says, from Fun Kids, squishies just for you, enjoy. Name Baby True. You go 7 packs of squishies. No. It says, Cotton Girl. I don't care. Let's just get into the video. So the first thing I see is, what's this? It's a cotton ball. It's not even a squishy. Feel it. It's a cotton ball. Oh, where's the face? Cotton ball. And it was $14. What a waste. No, it's on the floor. Next thing is a galaxy heart. Really, a galaxy heart? From this package that I just destroyed, look. A galaxy heart? It's not a galaxy heart, it's a square. It's just blue and purple. Oh my gosh. Next thing is Bowie Bun. Where did it go? Wait. Bowie Bun actually looks like a bow. It's just a bow. Oh, it's my little bow. Bowie Bun. It's not even a squishy, and it was $15. Next thing is, one second, a Hello Kitty. You gotta be kidding me. It's just a teddy bear. It's just a teddy bear. I actually love you. So, it's not even squishy. It's just little balls at the end. So. And yeah. Yeah, we don't want that. Next thing is a cat ball. Next thing is a cat ball. Focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. Cat ball, it's a hard ball. It's not even... Oh yeah, I'm vlogging in my new vloggins. It's very messy right now. So here's our thing, and then our art box. Our art box, this is our small art box. And then our bigger art box is actually right here. It's kind of messy and unorganized right now, because me and my sister are doing art today. It's like this. So here are our pencil markers. Here are our markers. Here are our pastels. Oops. Pastels. Here are our crayons. And here are just random, so yeah. Next thing we have is a, one minute, it says eraser squishy. So, oh, I found one. Right here. It's not a squishy, it's just an eraser. Fun Kids, I'm reporting it. So, yeah. Egg squishy. I'm ready. Let's open it. Ugh. It's not even a squishy, it's a slime. Ugh. It's stuck to me. It's really weird. So, see you soon. I'm back with Queen Hat, and now, more of this really. It's just a gummy bear. Oh my gosh. Is this a squishy to you? No? Is this a squishy to you? No. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. If there's actually a website called Fun Kids, I never got this from you. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. It was very exciting to do. And yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what I should do. But peace. Woo! 1 second, it says no refunds. No refunds. No refunds. No refunds, girl. No refunds. It's upside down, but no refunds. So peace. Bye.